Okay folks, I'm going to go take a little snowmobile ride in the back property, and I'll bring everyone along with me. Now I'm not sure how much I'm going to be able to actually put on video or not, because it's going to be a fresh trail I'm making, and I'm just not too sure how much I'm going to sink, and I just might get stuck. So I'm going to make the attempt, and I'll bring us for the ride up to the point anyway, where I might not be able to record this since I need to hold it with one hand. So let me go ahead and start this Arctic up. It was running not too long ago, so it's going to be too difficult to start, I'm sure. Well, there we go. Got a rip in the seat. The only bad part about this rip is that when it rains, which is, we're coming into that time. Today's actually pretty mild out. It's supposed to be, I think it's +6, I think it's going to make it to today. I think we're already at about +5. But when it starts to rain, this cushion here will just get saturated with water, and then it soaks the whole seat and becomes very, very heavy. So I need to get a seat cover and reupholster this seat here. And at the same time, the bottom plywood is probably going to be rotten, so I'll probably have to change that as well. Alrighty, let's get started with this little journey. Okay, we're at the entrance point where I'm going to go in and attempt to go in and make myself a trail, because I want to get some wood out of here probably tomorrow, or as soon as it cools down it'll freeze back up. So I'm not going to take you along for the ride during this point because I'm just not going to be able to do it. I need both my hands. So as I get to the top there and I get to some, seems like a stiffer ground base where I'm not going to sink, then I'll start the camera back up and show everybody. That's if I make it. I may not even make it 30 feet. I may just get stuck. It's pretty deep in there. It don't look deep, but I'm sure there's about 3 feet, maybe even 4 feet worth of snow in there. I don't really know though. I'm just guessing. Okay, I'll be back with you. Alright, well I'm back with you, but unsuccessful. Pretty much just got stuck. It's just too deep and too soft. It's too warm out. I made it exactly what I thought, 30 feet or so. So now I need to turn this around. That's going to tucker me right out because it's a pretty heavy machine. And this snow is pretty heavy stuff too. So I'll make an attempt at a different day. It's not going to be today. I'll give it a try forward a little bit more. And if I'm unsuccessful, then we'll just make it another day. So I'll be back with you to let you know how I made out. Okay, nope. I'm back and it's a lost hope. I was not able to move any more forward, so I just turns it around and I'm ready to hit back on the road and go back home. Beautiful day though. Very beautiful. Not a whole lot of sun, just a little bit. You can see it up there. Yeah. And I'm not going to try and film taking it back onto the road because I need both hands again. So I'll be back with you when I get onto the road. Won't be long. This stuff here, you see the white stuff, it's about 3 feet. I was in here about 3 feet. It's all packed. Here's all packed, but you can see it just keeps on going. About 3 feet deep. But it won't be long, this stuff will be all melting. It will be into green forest. Everything will be going green. Okay, I'll be back with you. Let me get this thing fixed back up on the road and I'll take you for the little trip back home. Alrighty, back out of there. Let's go. Okay, sorry I couldn't bring everybody for the little ride. Didn't work out. Snow is just too soft. Even the ice here, it's really starting to soften up. It's melting. We're kind of going into meltdown. Some of the driveway is showing itself. Won't be long. We just had a snowstorm, about 12 inches or so. It was a pretty good little storm we had. There's Timmy. And folks see Timmy's on a chain. Well, that's because he'll get himself in trouble if he doesn't have that chain, but he doesn't mind that chain. Right, buddy? Look at your eyes. You got some stuff on. Let me get that out of there for you. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh, I know. I know. You want to play. I know that. I know that. Be careful. You're going to wrap yourself leg around your chain and hurt your legs. Be careful with that. Well, thank you for watching, folks. Subscribe. Subscribe if you have not, and thank you for those that have.